guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So if you haven't seen this face around, then hello, my name is Shrija and this video is going to be the second video that's going to be up on my channel. So if you haven't watched my first video, I'll ask you guys to please go ahead and check it out and leave your comments if you like the video. If you do not like the video, leave your feedbacks there. So today's video is actually a part of another video that I had recorded on 5th of August, and today is 30th of August when I'm filming this video. So it has been around 25 days and I actually wanted to review some of the products that I'll mention in the clip that I'm going to attach just now. So here we go. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So excuse my look and the background because this is an impromptu video. So I just received my parcel from Purple, and it's relevant to you guys because what I have ordered in here is a product that is so hyped on YouTube by the influencers, and I wanted to use it and review it for you guys as well. Sorry for the noise. So actually I ordered some of the hair products. So in here I have shampoo, conditioner and oil from, that's my laptop. So it's by the brand called Mamaearth. If you are somebody who watches a lot of beauty videos like me, so you might have came across this brand, and there's so much hype about this, and especially the product in here is based on the onion oil, if I'm not wrong. So it's good. They say it's good for your hair, and the people are going crazy about it and saying that very good things about it. So right now I'm also experiencing some hair fall, and I wanted to order this product from really long. So I decided to use it and review it for you guys. So it works on my hair, so I'll also recommend you guys to buy this, because why not? The product in here is really expensive, so it's good, right? I always like the packaging that Purple. Okay, so I have ordered this from Purple. So it's not delicious. So what I have ordered is Mamaearth onion oil for hair regrowth and hair fall control with Redensil. I'll talk more about Redensil later on. Second one is Mamaearth onion hair fall shampoo for hair growth and hair fall control with onion oil and plant keratin. That sounds impressive. Mamaearth onion conditioner for hair growth and hair fall conditioner with coconut oil. So these are the three products that I've ordered. Wow, they've done some really good packaging in here, and it will take some time for me to open it up. So many bubble wraps, right? It's good. We'll need to play with these later on. Please excuse my laptop making noise in between. So these are the three products that I've got. The first one that I'm really excited about is the onion hair oil. If you can see, I don't know if you can see. So this is the onion hair oil, and it has Redensil. If you do not know about Redensil much, then I'll talk about it in my next video. So it says it is mineral oil and silken free, dermatologically tested, suits all hair types, and it's like 150 ml, and there are a lot of ingredients in here. So the bottle looks like this. It's like 150 ml, and it says it clearly has onion oil, if you can see, if you can make out from the picture here. So there's no scent in this, so that is something I like. Second up, we have the onion shampoo. So this was like a combo that I ordered, and there was no difference between ordering it like individually and in a combo because there was no discount at all. But it's not that expensive, so I think everybody can order it if you're on a budget. So this is the sulfate-free shampoo, gently cleanses and nourishes hair, reduces hair fall and strengthen hair growth. So there's a lot of claim going on in this. It says it's paraben and SLS free, which is good. The direction is like, I don't want to ruin it. So the third one here I have ordered. This is also based on onion. So this is Mamaearth Onion Conditioner for Hair Fall Control. It's again paraben and silicone free, and this is the packaging. And yeah, silicone free conditioner makes hair soft and smooth, detangles hair. We'll see. So I'll open this also. I like the packages so much. It's always like, it's so satisfying, right? Excuse my way of opening her product. So this has a really I don't know how to explain this, really moisturizing smell, if you can relate to it, because I've used some moisturizer that has a fragrance similar to this. So it's okay. So these are the 3 products that I have in here. So I'll quickly tell you the prices that on which I have ordered. This is not sponsored, guys. This is not sponsored. It's all my money. I have ordered this and I have been charged for this. So what I am going to do is I am going to tell you the prices. So for onion hair oil, it's like 150 ml for 399 rupees, which is 400 rupees. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't see. Second up, for the shampoo, it is 250 ml bottle, for which it's 350 rupees. Yeah. And for the conditioner, it's 250 ml and it's 350 rupees again. So excuse me for saying this is not that expensive, but this is expensive. Like if for 250 ml bottle they are charging 350 rupees, then it's kind of like over the budget, at least for me. But it's okay. If it works, then it's always fine, right? So I am opening this package on 5th of August, and I just wanted to show before starting using it because I am going to be using it really nicely. So by now you know that the products that I'm going to be reviewing today are these 3 products. One is hair oil, one is Mamaearth Onion Conditioner, and one of them is shampoo. So it's been around 25 days since I have been using these products, and I still want to give these products some more time, but I just wanted to let you know about my views until now, what I have felt about the product and everything. So I'm making this video. So before starting the review, I'd like to say that these are all my personal opinion. This, if you are a different person, this might work in a different way on your hair, but I'll just be very honest and I'll tell everything that I felt after using these products. So here we go. I'll start with not so important criteria. So the first criteria would be the packaging, because let's be real, हम the packaging पे ध्यान नहीं देते, but still it's important, at least for me. So if I talk about the hair oil, the packaging that in which this hair oil comes in, then I like it really very much because I have used a lot of different hair oils, कुछ छोटे bottles में, कुछ बड़े bottles में. So I have noticed that in some bottles, after you pour the oil out in your hand and then you close it, the oil just drizzles everywhere. It's all on the bottom, all around the bottle, and it's really annoying. But that doesn't happen with this bottle. I think it's because of the little lifting that they have given here, which you absolutely cannot see. So when I use this oil, it does not really, makes the whole bottle greasy, which is a nice thing. So if I talk about the onion shampoo and the conditioner, the packaging that these products come in, then all these two products come in the pump-like packaging. So one good thing about this is they have given a little topper that you can attach right here. If you are somebody who's traveling and you want to carry this product, then you can definitely take this with you with this topper, and it will stop the pump from getting pumped maybe. So that's a nice thing. So overall, if it's about packaging, I like the product very much. So I realized that maybe I would be doing something wrong. Maybe I would have applied a lot of hair oil that I shouldn't have, and that's why the shampoo is not just lathering up. So I decided to give it second chance, and I asked my brother for a second opinion. I asked him to use this hair oil and then use this shampoo and then this conditioner and see if it works on his hair or not. That was the same complaint he made, is this hair oil is just very hard to get. So the very next weekend I decided to use this hair oil and shampoo once more. So I applied a little bit of hair oil on my scalp and I left this part all alone. Then I washed off with the shampoo and the conditioner and did whole routine. But let me tell you guys, this time also I felt like my hair is all rough, and they were not really frizzy नहीं थे, but they were all really rough. एंड ऐसा लग रहा था मेरे बालों की कोई बॉडी नहीं है. यूजुअली जब मैं दूसरे शैम्पूज यूज करती हूँ तो उसके बाद वॉश करने के बाद मेरे बाल बहुत ही ज्यादा सॉफ्ट फील करते हैं, या फिर बहुत बाउंसी लगते हैं और बहुत सॉफ्ट लगते हैं, स्मूथ लगते हैं. बट आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस शैम्पू आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक दे हैड नो बॉडी. आई just combed out the tangles and I just made a plate out of it, because I was just not feeling to keep my hair open after using the shampoo and the conditioner. And also I would like to tell you one thing, कि conditioner के बारे में they claim that this detangles hair and makes the hair soft and smooth, which basically all the conditioners do. But with this conditioner I did not feel like they are detangling my hair at any point of time. They just felt like any other conditioner. So I don't have anything much to say about the conditioner. But about the onion oil and onion shampoo, I was so disappointed because it just did not work. I would still say that I am going to give this hair oil and shampoo a little bit more time. I'll give it a benefit of doubt and use it a couple of more times and see if it works. But until now guys, it's just not working on my hair, and my hair just feels dry and rough and not that bouncy. It feels like there's no body in it. So yeah, that's my review and I'm very sad about this. ऑल्सो गाइज मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि इट्स नॉट लाइक कि अगर ये प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे बालों पे काम नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आपके भी बाल पे काम नहीं करेंगे. इट माइट बी द केस कि इफ यू आर अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, इट माइट वर्क ऑन योर हेयर, इट माइट हैव वर्कड ऑन योर हेयर रियली नाइसली एंड एवरीथिंग. बट अंटिल नाउ मेरे बालों पे इनका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है. इट एटलीस्ट मेरे बाल जो सॉफ्ट और स्मूथ दिख रहे थे वो भी चली गई है बॉडी. सो I don't know what more to say, so I'll be wrapping up this video right now, right here. And इस और भी आगे जब मैं इसको यूज करूंगी उसका एक फाइनल रिव्यू के लिए एक और नया वीडियो बनाऊंगी, and then I'll give you my final reviews about it. So please stay tuned for that. And so that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, leave your comments, share this video with everybody else. And if I have any suggestions or any questions that you might want to ask me, then please leave your comments. You might want to reach out to me on the different social media channels or social media platforms. You can follow me and I'll link all the IDs that I have on other social media platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, so you can leave your questions and everything there. And till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.